Brazilian state agency Procon-SP today asked Apple to better explain why it has implemented power management features in older iPhones and how Brazilian iPhone users can obtain battery replacements, reports Reuters. In a blog post on the Procon-SP website, the agency says that it sent a notice to Apple on Wednesday demanding information on how iPhone customers can replace the batteries, what models are included in the action, how long replacements will be available for, and the cost in Brazil. Image via iFixit. Procon-SP attempted to deliver a notice to Apple this morning, which Apple refused to sign, but the demand for information was left at the front desk and the agency is giving Apple 10 days to respond. It is not clear what will happen if Apple does not provide the info, but Reuters says Procon-SP has the power to levy fines or propose legal action against Apple. Apple first announced plans to begin offering reduced-cost battery replacements in late December to provide a fix for customers who have noticed their iPhones slowing down due to power management features impacting older devices with degraded batteries. Initially, Apple said that low-cost battery replacements would be available starting in late January, but later moved the timeline up. In the United States, battery replacements are priced at $29 and are available for the iPhone 6 or newer. Pricing on battery replacements varies in other countries. Customers in need of a battery replacement should contact Apple's support staff in their country to initiate the replacement process. Reduced-cost batteries will be available through the end of 2018.